Hi everybody, Andy here with etrailer.com, and today we're going to take a brief look at this Valterra Deadbolt lock for RVs. Now this deadbolt is going to help protect your RV from intruders and provide you an additional peace of mind. This single cylinder is keyed on one side, as we saw here just a few seconds ago, and so you can lock and unlock from the outside with the included keys, and then from the inside with the built-in thumb latch. Now this is going to be an easy universal installation, and you can use the included strike plate for standard installation and then remove the faceplate here for drive-in installation. And as you can see, I just have this very loosely put together, so you can just kind of see what this looks like put together, of course, without the door. And this is going to fit 1 3/8 inches to 1 3/4 inch thick RV doors, and with a 2 3/8 inch from center of face hole to leading edge of door. The throw bolt thickness is 1 inch, and this stainless steel construction is durable and attractive. And as I already mentioned, you are going to get 2 keys along with the instructions and the rest of the hardware that you are going to need to successfully install this on your RV door. Well, that's going to conclude our brief look today. I do hope that it was helpful for you. Again, my name is Andy. Thank you for joining me.